Hey beautiful people, let's get straight into this 30-minute makeup look because I got places to go. Okay, so first I like to start by using some micellar water to eliminate any shine on my brows, and then I like to set this with some translucent setting powder. Then I go straight into carving my brows out. Honestly, I haven't changed the eyebrow pencil I use. I still use the Rimmel London professional eyebrow pencil in the shade black brown. I have tried other pencils, but I just always come back to this one because it just works for me. So I start by carving out the shape, and then I will go ahead and fill the brows in. If you do want to see a more detailed eyebrow tutorial, I do have quite a few eyebrow tutorial videos on my page, so do check them out. For concealer, I actually went old school today and I was using my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. Honestly, there was nothing wrong with this concealer. It's just that other concealers came to the market and we kind of pushed it to the side. But yeah, no, it's still a good concealer and I still use it from time to time. Just carving out the shape more and defining that shape more, and of course, blend, 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 very important. I do the exact same thing on the other brow, and then I tend to kind of go back and forth until I am satisfied with the shape. And it's time for the face. So I start by using this Neutrogena Hydra Boost water gel, aqua gel. I love, 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 love this. Like, since I bought it, like, I literally use it every day. It keeps my skin hydrated, keeps it nice and glowy. I love using it under makeup. And then for foundation, I'm using my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade New Caledonia. Just applying that as normal and making sure to blend that all over my face. I'm not going too heavy, just used a couple of light pumps because it is a quick beat, but I didn't want it to be too heavy. When I was in the States for the Christmas holidays, I picked up this Radiant Beauty True Complexion Longwear Concealer. Unfortunately, I'm not too sure what the shade is, but I'm just applying this under my eyes and my mouth area and chin area. Blending this out with my triangle puff, which I love, love, love. I definitely prefer using this over a beauty blender these days. And also just to mention that when I'm doing a quick beat, I tend to eliminate some steps. So I didn't apply any concealer to the bridge of my nose or my forehead area. I just focused on the lower part of my face, especially the under eye, keeping it nice and bright so I can look really done up and awake. So to set, I'm using the Huda Beauty baking and setting powder in banana bread, and I won't be baking. As soon as I apply this, I will be dusting it off, so I don't want it to look too cakey and dry. To set my face, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop mattifying powder in the shade Deep, and I really, really love this powder. It definitely makes my face nice and matte, which I absolutely love. For blush, I went in with the Radiant Beauty Artisan Color Blush in the shade Warm Berry, and I actually ended up applying another blush later on because this wasn't giving, and even if I'm going to do a quick beat, the blush needs to be blushing, okay? On my cheekbones, I apply the MAC Studio Fix powder in NW50, and then I go ahead and apply some more blush to brighten up my cheeks. I wanted my under eye to still look a little bit brighter, so I applied the MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC50 using my triangle puff. I was just pressing that underneath the eye gently just to give it a bit more brightness. Of course, as we're doing a 30-minute quick beat, there is not going to be too much going on in terms of eyeshadow, but I do like to apply some dark brown eyeshadow or bronzer to my eyelids just to bring the look together. If you're doing a quick beat for a nighttime look, you can actually use a black eyeshadow and do like a quick smoky eye, but since this is for during the day, I just decided to just keep it brown. So onto the lips next, and I'm doing a classic nude lip, and I'm starting off with a brown lip liner. I'm using the Inglot Soft Precision eyeliner actually, but I use it as a lip liner. It's a really nice shade of brown if you are a woman of color. Before I finish off my lips, I'm just setting my face with the One Size Until Dawn mattifying setting spray. I love, love, love. So I quickly change my outfit, and then I'm finishing off the lips with this matte liquid lip gloss from Primark in the shade Pink Petal. I then apply some mascara to my bottom lashes and finish up the look with some clear lip gloss, and that is the look, guys. This look is perfect if you need something quick for work or for church, or if you're meeting up with some friends but you don't want to spend like hours and hours doing up your makeup. And you could definitely turn this into a nighttime look as well. Like I said, you can add some black eyeshadow, make it smoky, change the lip. But yeah, that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.